Are you tired of CS2 stuttering, lagging, or running with low FPS? In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step optimization guide to boost your FPS in CS2. We'll fix Windows settings, unlock your CPU, optimize your GPU, and apply the best tweaks so you can enjoy smoother gameplay and higher performance. So, stick with me till the end and let's dive into the video. Step 1. Clear temporary files to free up space. The very first thing we are going to do is clean up your computer and delete temporary files that are just sitting there and not doing anything useful. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open a small run box on your screen. Inside that box, type temp and press enter. A folder will open with many files. These are temporary files. Select all the files and delete them. If some files do not delete, it's okay, just skip them. Now, repeat the same process again. Press Windows plus R one more time, but this time type %temp% and hit enter. Another folder will appear, again full of temporary files. Select all of them and delete. Don't worry if a few files can't be deleted. That's completely normal. By doing this step, you are removing junk data, freeing up space, and making your computer less cluttered. This helps Windows run smoother, and games like CS2 will have more space and resources to perform better, which can mean slightly higher FPS and less random lag in matches. Step 2. Set Windows for the best performance. Click the Windows search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. When the option shows up, click on it. A performance options window will open. Now, in this window, you will see many options. Select the one that says Adjust for best performance. This will turn off all the extra effects. But don't worry, we will turn on two important settings to keep your screen easy to use. Smooth edges of screen fonts makes text readable and not blurry. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Shows small previews of files instead of just plain icons. After checking those two boxes, click Apply. Then go to the Advanced tab. Under the section called Processor Scheduling, select Adjust for best performance of programs. Finally, click OK to save. With these settings, Windows will become faster and lighter. This means CS2 and other programs will open quicker, FPS will be smoother, and overall performance will improve, especially if your PC is not very powerful. Step 3. Boost Windows with Chris Titus Tech Utility. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Now let's make your Windows system even faster using a free tool called Chris Titus Tech Utility. This tool will disable useless apps and background services that waste your CPU and RAM. First, go to your FPS boost pack and open the text file with some code inside it. Copy all the code. Then click on the Windows search bar, type PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because only Administrator mode lets you make changes to the system. Now paste the code you copied into the PowerShell window and press Enter. This will launch the Chris Titus Tech Utility. Inside the tool, go to the Tweaks tab. Here you will see two presets, Minimal and Standard. Minimal keeps most features while removing a few things, but Standard removes more and gives you more FPS and less lag. Choose the one you like. Before applying, the tool will create a restore point so you can undo the changes if needed. Now click Run Tweaks and wait until it finishes. Once done, close the tool. These changes will reduce background usage, free up resources, and help CS2 run smoother with higher FPS, fewer stutters, and less input delay. Step 4. Use a better power plan for stable FPS and ping. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your computer has different power plans, and by default, it is often set to balanced. That mode saves energy but limits your CPU. For gaming, we need full CPU power. Click the Windows search bar, type Power, and select Choose a Power Plan. If you see high performance, choose it. But for the best results, we will unlock ultimate performance. To do this, open the search bar again, type Command, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Then paste the special Ultimate Performance command from the video or guide and press Enter. You will see a message saying it has been created. Now go back to Power Options and select Ultimate Performance. Restart your computer after setting it. This will force your CPU to always stay at maximum speed. With this plan, CS2 will get better FPS, fewer drops, and smoother gameplay without sudden slowdowns. Step 5. Enable all CPU cores with ParkControl. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your CPU has many cores and threads, but Windows sometimes parks them, which means it keeps them asleep to save energy. While gaming, this reduces performance. We will make sure all cores are always active. Download and install ParkControl, then open it. In the program, select the plan called Bitsum Highest Performance. This plan is made for gaming and speed. Now adjust these options. Parking AC, 100% off. Parking DC, 100% off. Frequency scaling AC, 100% off. Frequency scaling DC, 100% off. Next, turn on Bitsum Dynamic Boost. This feature is smart. It saves energy when idle but unlocks all CPU power when you are gaming. Finally, go back to Windows Power Options and set Bitsum Highest Performance as your active plan. With this setup, your CPU will always be running at full power when needed. CS2 will have faster response times, higher FPS, and fewer frame drops during matches. Step 6. Increase GPU power with MSI Afterburner. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your graphics card, GPU, is the most important part of smooth gameplay. With a safe tool called MSI Afterburner, we can increase its performance a little without risk. Install MSI Afterburner and open it. You will see several sliders. First, move power limit and temperature limit all the way to the right. Do not touch core voltage. Now slowly increase the memory clock. Start at 0, then +20, then +40, then +60. After each step, open CS2 and test it. If the game runs well, increase more. If you see crashes or strange graphics, reduce it back to the last stable number. When you find the stable number, click Apply. This safe overclock will give your GPU extra speed, more FPS, and smoother CS2 gameplay. Step 7. Disable HPET to reduce stutter. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Scroll down and open System Devices. Find High Precision Event Timer. Right-click on it and choose Disable. By disabling HPET, you can reduce micro stutters and make CS2 run with smoother FPS and more stable performance. By following all of these steps carefully, your computer will be optimized for CS2. Together, these optimizations will give you higher FPS, smoother gameplay, less input lag, and more stable matches in Counter-Strike 2.